Hey everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This is going to be for the sign of Libra. If you are not talking to a specific someone and you really wonder will they come back to you or not, then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that. This person can be your ex, this person can be somebody that you recently stopped talking to and maybe you had a disagreement, fight, maybe you just decided, okay fine, you cannot be together with this person, but then you have love, you really want this person to come back. You don't know will they or they not, then this reading is definitely going to find you the answer to that. We will take oracle cards in this reading as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Libras, let's find out whoever it is that you want to come back to you. Let's find out, will this person be coming back to you? Yes or no? Let's start into the read. Will they be coming back to you? Let's find out. Queen of Swords, Six of Swords. They want something very stable with you. If and only if you could give that to them, they will. So I don't think that they will be reaching out to you. They want you to reach out to them for sure, because I don't see this person doing any effort here. I feel like they would want you to come towards them to give you what they want. It seems like I don't see this person is going to be reaching out to you. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well, but yes, I feel like I don't see this person reaching out to you. They want stability in their life. They want some happiness in their life. They really believe that they deserve something stable, content, and something which is going to add stability to their life. So they are rushing or heading towards that. If you want to reconcile with this person, if you think you can bring them the stability that they are seeking right now, maybe you will have to be the one to take action towards this person, because I feel like this person is getting strong. They don't want to beg, chase anyone. They want to be chased. They want to be told that they are worthy of everything, and they want to be get valued. This person could be egoistic as well. They don't want to be the one following the other person, even if they might have done wrong to you, even if they had picked up a fight with you. This person is not going to go backwards. This person is heading forward. If you want a reconciliation, if you want them back, you have to go and tell them that I want you back. I have something stable for you to have with me. This person is not going to come back, that's for sure. For them it's kind of over. Yes, Death and the Ten of Wands. If you can bring them what they want, then come forward to them, because they are not going backward. They are just heading forward. They don't want anything but stability, happiness. They don't want to deal with stress any longer. You might have been the one who added a lot of stress to them in their life, and now they seem like they don't want it any longer. And if you think you can bring them something good, maybe bring that to the table for them. They are not going to be looking forward. They're not going to be looking backward to see what you got. If you want, call their name, call them up, reach them out, tell them this is what you are offering to them right now, and they will take it if they want to. Underneath the deck, we do have Eight of Swords. It seems like this person had a lot of maybe mental stuff in their head about this connection. Maybe they they don't want to put effort. They might be egoistic. Maybe they believe that you always take them for granted and you don't have anything stable to offer. You will never have anything stable to offer to them. So if and when you are ready, come and show me that you got something stable. So I don't see that this person will be reaching out to you. You have to make the move towards this person. They are somebody who's very stubborn as well. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. So, my beloved, though we may be physically apart, spiritually we are always united. Somehow they believe that you love them. Maybe they know that you're going to always go back to them. So they may not take any step towards you. If you want them, you have to reach out to them, because you have made them the way they are. You have given them that authority in this connection. You have made them realize how valuable they are to you. So maybe they will not do any effort. Maybe they want you to do the effort there. Let's see what else do we have for the two of you. Will they come back to you? Surrender to the divine. let things happen in the divine time. They are not going to do anything. Maybe if you want, you can do the effort if you want to, and see where things goes. I feel like, you both might be very, much like same, like, you might have been, your ego issues, they have their ego issues, so you both have your own drama to and game to play, basically. So that could be the reason why you are having issues in your love life with your specific someone. You both want the other person to take the initiative. None of you is taking initiative. You are egoistic, they are egoistic. You are childlike, they are childlike. You are stubborn, they are stubborn. So that seems like, not gonna go anywhere. To help beat this to help heal this situation, see the other person's point of view with compassion, which I believe none of you is doing right now. You don't want to see their perspective, they don't want to see your perspective. If that could be done, even then too, situation will change in this connection between the two of you, which again, I don't see any of you taking that initiative where you both be like, coming forward and see where and what can you do right now in this situation, in this connection. So it seems like, maybe you both need to surrender it to the divine. Maybe as you heal, as you become better versions of yourself, maybe you're gonna understand that you both need to take that initiative. Maybe you both gonna, maybe one day you're gonna be sitting and trying to communicate to your person. Maybe they're gonna, receive some messages from the divine in the order to have what you both desire in this connection as well. So maybe divine help would come in. Otherwise, I don't see you both changing. I do see that you both have stubborn that way. So maybe you are gonna wait for them, they are gonna wait for you, but eventually maybe the divine is gonna have to intervene in the situation. So maybe then you will have what you want. So yeah, let's see the last card and then we are done. Wow, this situation involves marriage. Maybe eventually you're gonna get married to this person. Again, let things be the way they are, maybe, if you want. Because seems like you both need to grow up as an individual. You have to become the better version for yourself, they have to become their better version, and then only you will be having the kind of connection that you both desire. So yeah, I feel like, they're not going to reach out to you, they want you to reach out to them, and maybe you also want the same. So it seems like, situation is in the you're both gonna stay there for some time at least. I don't see you reaching out to them, them reaching out to you, until unless the intervention comes in from the divine. Now, what can you do in the situation? If you want divine help, you can seek that help using law of attraction techniques, and that's how you get what you want in this connection. Even if you want them to take initiative from their side, maybe you can start using affirmation, maybe you can start visualizing, maybe you can start sending them telepathic messages. Those things will help you to get what you want. Otherwise, you have to wait and be patient. They are not reaching out to you. So yeah, this message can go for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.